How to log in TikTok using mobile number. Hello everyone, this is Lisa from Create Login and Delete. Now let's get started. Open your TikTok app. Here we go. At the bottom you're gonna find different options. Head towards the option of profile. Now at the very bottom you'll find the option of login. Tap on it. With that you'll find different options. Select the very first option, use phone, email or username. Now over here you will find two options to log into your TikTok account, phone number and email or username. Tap on the option of phone. Firstly tap on this drop down and select your country and then type in your phone number over here. If you want to save your login info, you can check in for this option. After you type in your phone number, tap on the option of send code. Now you will be receiving 6-digit code in the phone number that you have just entered. You have to type in that code over here, and with that you will be logged into your TikTok account, or also you can log in with the password. If you want to do so, click on this option of login with password. Within 60 seconds you're gonna get the code. If you didn't get the code, you can tap on this option of request phone call. Enter the code and with that you will be logged into your TikTok account. You can see that I have logged into my TikTok account. So this is how you can easily log into your TikTok account using mobile number. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.